Parang yun ang mga housemates kayo, parang they have the same background as yung anak ng artista.
Yes.
Kasi you are the OG
Yes.
na
Nepo
showbiz
baby.
Oh, actually showbiz mo yan, yun ang may nakapinayan talaga.
Yes.
So, ano yung mga advice mo sa kanila? I mean, yun mo what made you say yes? Ano yung mga advice mo sa kanila na they're about to step into showbiz after all this?
And thank you for your tweets. Nakikita ko yung tweets mo.
You're the post ni Serving. Sabi ko nga,
Thank you very much. Thank
Alam
you.
mo, marami nakakaawa yan.
Thank you.
Miss Friends.
Well, one is, I was the host nung season na housemate si Bianca.
Yes.
Nung housemate si Bianca, first celebrity. I was the host nung housemate si Robbie. So nakadalawang season ako. Tapos if I'm not mistaken, after that season, yun na yung tumutok ako sa Deal or No Deal. Yung nag-game show na ako, so nawala talaga. So with that being said, considering the housemates that we have the same background, I go back to what my mom said when I started out. And this is something my mom learned even before social media, na very traditional pa ang showbiz nun. Na she would always tell me na, eto dati pa to ha, sabi niya, anak, madaling sumikat. Pero yung sabihin mong magtagal ka at may inaambag ka sa industriya, yun ang mahirap. So lalong-lalo na ngayon na everyday may panibagong sikat, kumbaga pasikat ka pa lang, may humahabol na sa'yo at nalalampasan ka. Kung magaling ka kumanta, i-post mo ngayon on, let's say, YouTube, you have 1 million views, pumikit ka lang 2 beses, meron nang nagto 2 million views. Sa artista din naman, ganun din. May isang issue ka lang, whether good or bad, pinag-uusapan ka na sa buong mundo. Dati Pilipinas lang. Dati ang mga press con natin kina Mami hanggang Pilipinas lang. Swerte ka na nga kung umabot pa sa Mindanao ang napag-usapan ninyo. Eto, in less than 2 seconds, baka mamaya nanonood pa iba-ibang mga bansa. So it goes to show na anything and everything you do right now will be noticed. But to actually fall in love with the industry and make it your life and want to improve it, want to change your life, the lives of the people around you, and maybe parang i-instill mo pa sa next generation. That takes a lot of hard work. So, yun ang sasabihin ko sa mga bagets paglabas nila, yung pagsikat, malamang sa malamang, sikat na kayo as of now. But make your goal na magtagal kayo at meron talaga kayong may iambag sa industriya at sa mga tao na nakaikot sa industriya. Thank you.
It's just habol lang kasi ano.
Yes po.
Yes.
Ay, na yung ilaw.
Sorry. Hindi kasi ano, I was watching Your My Home natin 2 weeks ago, yung finale.
Yes.
Sobrang ibang-iba yung acting mo doon sa Sins of the Father. Kasi parang, wow, so iba yung glow. Sabi nga kanina, iba na yung glow mo, iba na yung mindset mo, iba na yung sasabi mga kanina, iba ka na as an actor. So, my question would be, ano yung take away mo after playing Agnes na bibit-bitin mo at gusto mong bit-bitin din ng ibang mga babae na kanood and mapapanood pa yung Sins of the Father. And congrats sa Sins of the Father, I think it's one of your best performances.
Thank you for that. Ano talaga, yun nga, I keep saying na it's a project na talagang made me go back to falling in love with acting. I fell in love again. And I would like to say na si Agnes ang pinaka-favorite kong character na na-portray. Sa lahat ng nagawa kong projects, si Agnes talaga yung, siguro kasi syempre yung pagbabalik ko, ang dami ko na rin naranasan sa totoong buhay. So na-apply ko yung emotions, yung experiences ko sa character na si Agnes. And I'm just really proud of, whatever, kung anong nailabas ko bilang isang artista, bilang isang actor kay Agnes. And yun, I'm just really grateful I was given that opportunity. Who would have thought nga na magagawa ko pa yung ganung klaseng role? Kasi sabi pa sa akin ni Kuya A nung una, magsusok ka ha? Light lang. Alam mo yun, yung just to ease you back in sa showbiz.
Light ba yun?
Sabi ko, biglang pagdating na nung taping, parang, light ba to? Ang bigat. Pero talagang sabi ko, okay. So, ibig sabihin, talagang ganun pa rin yung trust sa akin ng ABS-CBN, ng Star Magic, to give me that kind of character and that kind of role and show na tungkol sa mabibigat na bagay. So, I'm just really grateful and ang takeaway ko kay Agnes, yung quiet strength. You don't have to be loud all the time just to prove that you are strong. So, for me, yung quiet strength na alam mong matapang ka pero hindi mo kailangan talaga mag-ingay masyado. Kasi mararamdaman mo ng mga tao at ng ibang mga tao sa paligid mo na matapang siyang, malakas siyang tao. So, yun, I guess yun lang talaga na the quiet strength of Athens.
Alright. Thank you, Miss
Thank you,
Franz.
Jeffrey Queen.
And Jessie, actually, yung
Yes.
ginawa mo is just a proof that you don't waste an opportunity.
Yes.
Binigyan ka ng chance to come back.
Oo.
Diba? So, you didn't waste it and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, ang dami ko pang sinasabi. Wala lang tayo. We're giving away